So I've already opened up Precision Prices and renamed it to Precision Prices. And we are going to be using a vertical lookup formula or function. And before we actually enter this, we are going to name our little table here. And so we're going to highlight the cells in our table, H4 through I8. And we're going to call it disc table for discount. And let me press enter. And the actual lookup formula or function is going to go into E4. And we are going to be going into formulas here. And where it says lookup and reference, we're going to click and we are going to choose Vlookup. Now the value that we are going to be looking up is the category discount. So we're going to click on C4. And the place that we are going to be looking that up is in our table. And we've named that disc table. And what we want to retrieve from the table is the percentage discount. And that would be in our second column. Now, this last parameter that we're going to give can either be true or false. It is a logical parameter. The default is true. We are going to enter false. And you will enter false if you want an exact match. If you don't enter anything, or if you enter true, what happens is it looks for a match, and if it can't find one, it actually just pulls the very last value. So if you're going to set it up that way, normally you have things in order, alphabetical order, descending, ascending, whatever order you need it to be in, because if it doesn't find a value, it's going to be pulling the last one. In this case, that would be a very bad thing because we would be giving him a fairly large discount. Okay, so we want an exact match so that it pulls the right discount. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. And you'll notice that it pulled in 10%, which is correct. We just don't have the column formatted quite right yet. So let's go into our home ribbon and apply that percent format so it actually looks more like a percent. Now they want us to go over into F4 and create a little formula here for the net price. So we're going to key in an equal sign. And then we're going to click on D4, which is our list price. And we are going to subtract out the D4, the list price, multiplied by the discount. So we're basically subtracting out our discount. So in parentheses, we're going to do D4 again, multiplied by our discount percentage. Okay, so that is giving them that 10% discount in this case. And then we're going to highlight both of these little formulas, grab our fill handle, and drag all the way down. And then you should be able to kind of double check, take a look. C is 14%. Make sure that it's pulling the right values. And at this point, we are going to save our changes, and we are done with this workbook.